We are on our last day of camping in the Nantahala National Forest, right outside of the Great Smoky Mountains. We're gonna get packed up and see about some breakfast on the lake. Happy birthday.
So we came to North Carolina for a nice little camping trip. We recently got these pack rafts that are super light and easy to blow up, so we've been spending a lot of time on any body of water we can find. We were experiencing some pretty stressful weeks leading up to this trip, so we really sunk into just relaxing and enjoying ourselves.
Look at you, sleepy baby. You all tuckered out? She's beauty and she's grace. She's Miss United States.
I got in pretty quick and I didn't even have to like push myself off. I just launched off gracefully.
I've got it on camera, so you can review the footage.
Oh. I was like, are you just...
Along the way, we stumbled upon the Tail of the Dragon, which is popular amongst motorcycles, sports cars, bicyclists, you name it. While on our way to the Smoky Mountains, we fished out an Audi.
What's that? Every day. I do. I have to be doing this.
It's pretty neat.
On our last day, we decided to wake up early and hit the lake for some coffee and breakfast. Here you can see how truly easy it is to set these up.
Alright, we packed up. Now we're going to go paddle out onto Santeetlah Lake in North Carolina. We're gonna go cook up some coffee and breakfast before we have to head home. Woo! Threading the needle.
do it.
It's warm enough
I was
for
like,
it.
man, get all your clothes wet.
Yeah, I would take my shirt off at the very minimum, and ideally my phone out of my pocket. Shouldn't have been, like, joked with.
And that was our time in North Carolina. A little more relaxed of a video than usual, but this was the perfect way to ring in the last year of my 20s. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!